Hi, welcome to the Cook for Your Life channel. Okay, so when you're feeling a bit down in the dumps or you've got maybe a bit of a sore throat, I don't know, but my mum always used to make me lemon and honey. And it's something that really, when I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, it's a real pick-me-up. And it's so simple to make. Again, it's something you often find, you know, you're getting in a, like in a packet of like medication that's sort of lemon and honey flavored. Make yourself this and just take a couple of aspirin. It'll make you feel so much better. So this is how easy it is. Cut the lemon and squeeze it into a cup. And now I'm putting the little strainer here just to catch any pips, because these are organic lemons and they tend to have a lot more pits in them than the regular ones. They don't have to be organic, by the way, but I use the zest a lot, so that's why I buy them that way. You don't need anything fancy, you can just do this with your hands. Or if you really want to get a little bit more out of it, you can use a teaspoon. Then put a bit of hot water in here. Just to start it off. Oh, it smells so good already. Now I've got some honey. Now I'm going to show you a little trick. I'm going to put a little bit more hot water in here. That's going to loosen the honey up a bit that's left in here. So I'm just going to add it to there. Of course, you can, in a normal way, you can just get your honey bottle and squeeze it out and put it in there, you know, it's how you like it. But then you just top it up with some more water. Give it a stir. And honestly, that is it. Oh, that is so yummy. I haven't got a cold, but I wish I had one now. Cheers.